Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this cocktail smoker. So here's the smoker itself, and I've already put a few wood chips on there. It comes kind of all set to go. You just have to charge it, and here's your power button. So I'm going to go ahead and press the power button. You do have several flavors. This is your little flamer. So it does not come full of butane. You do have to fill that before you use this. But once you use it, you go ahead and you burn your chips so that it starts smoking. So as you can see, while it's burning there, you can see the smoke starting to create in the jar. So I actually just have juice in here because I would love a smoky flavor in my juice, but this can be used with other types of alcoholic beverages. Some of the different flavors that you have are pear wood, apple, pecan, beech, oak, and cherry. So here's what it looks like inside. You just have all these little wood chips. You do have a replacement screen and a little brush for helping you when it comes to cleaning out the top of your little smoker. So like I mentioned, I did this with pear juice that I just recently cooked down, and the smoky flavor in here is actually really good. So I could see doing that with juices and of course your alcoholic beverages, and boy would this be a fun party thing to just kind of do this in front of guests and everybody can enjoy that wood smoke and also the wood flavor.